So hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you one accessories for your Galaxy device that you must have it if you like to travel a lot. What is it? This one, the Samsung wireless battery pack. So compared to the one that Samsung released before, this one has wireless capability. Why you want to do that? Because these days smartphone has wireless charging, and most of the S device or Galaxy device has the wireless capability. So we see first the spec in here. So if you see in the spec like this, see, for the input it support fast charging, and also the output it support fast charging. This one is, I think, Qualcomm quick charge specification like this, yeah, or Samsung adaptive fast charging. And then let's do small unboxing. Oh, what is inside? Yeah. So your book, I present in Korea because this one is Korean version. For your information, I buy this one is for $40, yeah, or like 43,000 Korean won. So the power bank itself, and what else? Okay, you have small cable. You have small cable. This small cable. See, the reason that why you gonna need these things, because if you full of Samsung accessories like Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Buds, you're gonna need this one if you travel a lot. In my case, I need this one because usually when I travel, I don't have place to charge by plugging directly to the outlet or the electricity. So I need power bank. Previously I used like Asus power bank, but that one doesn't support fast charging. This one support fast charging. So you see in here USB type A, and this one USB type C. From the one that I know, you only can charge from this one to your device. But for this USB type C, it's only input, no output mode in here. And you have the indicator lights. The body itself is from aluminum, and for this one it has like kind of rubbery thingy, so it's not gonna slip. Yeah, look at that. So it's not really slippy in here. Oh, it's charged. See, you see, like you put it just like this, you hold it, it's charging. The cable itself is so small. The reason why I buy this one, because I have these Galaxy Buds that support charging wirelessly, and I have this Gear S3 Frontier, it's also wirelessly charging. For example, whenever I need to go somewhere, usually I bring one small adapter and cable, charging cable, like the one that I have, like this charging cable, the long charging cable. So by doing these things, I can charge my watch, for example. And the another things, I charge it with this. Yeah. I charge also my phone at the same time. That's so convenient. See, I charge both of them at the same time. Because usually you're gonna have like low battery in your smartwatch and low battery in here. Do this, and by travel you're safe. Another things, or even you can do it like this to charge your, see, it's charging. If you see small lights, it's charging also. Yeah, see, it's charging. The another things that I like is it support USB power through. So even though you charge it like this, so if you charge it, this one is charging, right? charge it like this, you can put your thingy and turn on. Wait a minute, it's gonna charge. So see, it's gonna charge even though you charge this power bank also. So it's so convenient in the night, like when you travel, going somewhere in the night, you're gonna top up this battery, put it there, and it's gonna charge. So easy. That's the things. Or even you put it together like this, you put also your phone together with this. See, it's charged together. The bad things, when you use these things, when you charge it like this, it's not gonna support fast charging in your device. Because I believe because the adapter is fast charging these things, not directly, because it's literally like that. That's the only bad thing. But usually when you travel, you put these things in the night, and in the morning it's ready for you to get out. So even though for the wireless, it's also support fast charging. Put it like this. Wait, fast charging wirelessly. So you can hold like this while you're using your phone without any cable attached, and it's charging your phone. So easy. So that's all for my small review. So this 10,000 milliamp, it can charge this phone for maybe up to 2 times, because this has 4,000 milliamps. But if you charge it together with this one, you charge it with this one, I don't know how long it's gonna can charge. But the idea is when you travel, at least you have backup for your battery, for your smartwatch, and for your phone, and for your earphone. That's the things. So thank you for watching this video. Like if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.